floor of Hampton Inn, which is Sterling Point Hotel. We're going to kind of take you to one of the areas that we wired from the IDF closet. And currently,
We have the data on the left-hand side and the data and coax on the right-hand side.
can you pull it out so you can see it?
The data and the coax in one side, and then the other data in the other side. And then over here on this side of the bed, we have a phone cable that will be for their phone on that side of the bed.
It's kind of hard to see, but we currently have the cables being routed straight down the hall in one vein. And what Phil elected to do, which is smart, he's got two veins. He's got one vein for the left side of the suites, and he's got one for the right side of the suites. And it goes all the way down to the closet. Currently, we have what we call wireless access points in each suite. This cable, this coiled up cable here, is going to eventually go inside this suite, and it's going to end up in the closet here. And inside the closet, we're going to have the access hatch. And that hatch is where we're going to put the wireless access point, right there. And that wireless access point is going to serve wireless internet to this area, and about 2 rooms that way, 2 rooms that way. This is currently the first floor, and the first floor is going to have all of the things that we just talked about, the wireless internet, the data, the phone. And this is the last floor to do. In hotels, they currently start from the top down. So they would start from the highest floor. In this particular case, it's the 7th floor. So we started from the 7th floor, and we're working our way down to the 1st. So in about 2 weeks, this floor will look totally different.